Good morning, class. This is your maths class. Today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is chapter 14, time. So first of all, time can be divided, or you can say that it can be seen in two parts: 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. Generally we use 12-hour clock system. In 12-hour clock system, what happens? The complete day is divided into two 12-hour periods. Okay, whole day of 24 hours is divided into two periods of 12 hours each. Clear? The first period is from 12 of midnight to 12 of noon, means 12 at night to 12 of noon. It is called antemeridian, that is before midday. Antemeridian, that is AM. Clear? And it is written as A dot M in short, in small or in capital both. And second period is from 12 o'clock in the noon to 12 o'clock in the midnight. It is called post meridian, that is post meridian means PM. Okay, after midday. Clear? And it is written as P dot M in small or in capital both. Noon and midnight divide the two periods. Okay, so the two periods are divided into noon and midnight. Clear? So we do not write AM or PM with them. Clear? When it is 12 o'clock in the midnight, then we write it as 12 midnight. When it is 12 o'clock in the noon, we write it as 12 noon, not 12 AM or 12 PM. Clear? In 12-hour clock time I am telling this. Now in 24-hour clock time, what happens? In 24-hour clock time, the time is written from 1 to 24. Okay, all 24 hours are calculated in that. It is not followed by AM or PM, or we do not say morning, afternoon or night in this type of time. For example, if someone tells you that your train starts at 7, you would not know that whether it is 7 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock in the evening. So to avoid such confusion, 24-hour clock is used for timetables by the military. Okay, and so on. In this system, time of day is given by hours and minutes. Okay, hours and minutes, where HHMM is, it is written in form of HHMM. Here you can see, where HH stands for the number of hours and MM stands for the number of minutes. So I told hours and minutes. The day starts at midnight, which is 0000 hours, means at 12 o'clock midnight we write it as 0000 hours. Clear? At 12 o'clock in the noon we write it as 12:00 noon. Clear? In 24-hour clock time, suppose this is the time 00:15 hours, so that means 15 minutes past 12 in the midnight. Clear? That time will be 12:15 AM, you can write. Clear? Now suppose it is there 12:15 hours. 12:15 hours, that means 12 is written in the starting, that means 12 o'clock in the noon it is talking about. If 00 is written in the beginning, then that means 12 o'clock in the midnight. Clear? So that's why we have used here AM and we have used here PM. Why? Because it is of noon, it is of midnight. Clear? Now see, suppose 0730 hours, that means 7:30 AM, and 19:30 hours, that means after 12 o'clock. If in starting, just check the starting two digits. If the starting two digits are greater than 12, then that means just start counting. 13 means 1 o'clock in the day. Okay, noon. And 14 means 2 o'clock in the noon. 3 15 means 3 o'clock in the noon, that is 3 p.m. 16 means 4 p.m. 17 5 p.m. 18 6 p.m. 19 7 p.m. So 1930 hours means 7:30 p.m. Clear? Now next we have, just see examples. Suppose change to 12-hour clock time. Suppose this is given 00:15 hours. See, if it is written in this format, hours, if it is written hours in front of the time, then that means it is in 24-hour clock time. And you have to convert this into 12-hour clock time. That means you have to use AM, PM. Okay. So 00:50, 00 is there in the starting. That means I told 12 o'clock in the midnight. So that means time will be 12 dot dot. You will make two dots. You can see here two dots are there. 12, two dots, then 15 am. Clear this much? Now next you see 0200 hours. 02 is there, that means 02 dot dot 00 am. Clear? Now next 13 hours. 13 hours, that means question is 13. Listen here. See here. C part is 13:40 hours. So 13. What I told, after 12, 13 will be counted as 1 o'clock in the noon. That means 1 p.m. And minutes you count, how many are there? 40. So as it is, we will take minutes. So 1:40 p.m. answer will be. Clear? That is only written here. Now 21:10 hours. 21:10 means 21. So now start taking, 19 was 7. So 28, 21, 9. That means 9, 10. The last two digits remain the same of minutes. Okay. 9 dot dot 10 p.m. Clear? Next we have convert to 24-hour clock time. Now in 12-hour clock time, time is given, you have to convert into 24-hour clock time. Suppose 12:15 am is written, so am is there, that means it is talking about midnight. So what you will write? 00:15 hours. Clear? Like this. Now next we have 12:35 p.m. 12:35 p.m. So now just see, p.m. is there. So that means 12 will remain as it is. 12 we will write, and 35. So 35 will remain as it is. 12:35 hours. Clear? That is the answer. 6:15 am. Now again 6 will remain as it is. 06. In hours you have to write, in means 24-hour clock time, you have to write total 4 digits. If 3 digits are there, then you will add 1 0 to the left hand side. You will write 0615 hours. Clear? You will not change till 12 o'clock. You will not change the values. If after 12, if suppose 21 or 13 is there, then you will change them. Suppose 11:45 p.m. is there. PM is there, that means the time which are given in AM, that you will write it them as it is to convert into 12-hour clock time, 24-hour clock time. And the time which is given in PM, to convert that you will add, you will change into 13, 14, 15 and so on. Clear? Suppose 11:45 p.m. is there. So just start counting. After 12, 1 o'clock is 13, 2, 14, 3, 15, 4, 16, 5, 17, 6, 18, 7, 19, 8, 20, 9, 21, 10, 22 and 11, 23. That means 11 o'clock in the evening. That means 11 p.m. will be 23 hours in 24-hour clock time. So you will write it as 23:45. Minutes will remain as it is, 23:45 hours. Clear? That is how you have to do this. Now you have to do solve these questions of the exercise in your notebook. I will send you how you have to do. In the same way you will do the classwork. Thank you, class.